Welcome to my next vlog. I'll be unboxing the Air Jordan Retro 11 Space Jam. Na ito yung isa sa mga most popular na Jordan shoes, yung Air Jordan 11. Window shopping muna sa Foot Locker, magtingin ng mga sale. So dito kami ngayon sa Foot Locker with Erin, MJ, and the rest. And window shop. Tingnan namin yung bagong Jordan shoes. So regular Sunday namin is we go to church at 10 sa IRM Lloydminster, and after church dumadaan kami sa mall para mag window shopping, lunch out or merienda with fam, and then of course punta sa isa sa palakpitong store, yung Foot Locker, para maghanap ng any new Jordan items, especially yung naka-sale. So ito pa yung namin na bigla namin, although it was a pre-ordered na Air Jordan na Retro 11 na Space Jam. So samahan niyo pa ako sa pag-unbox nito. The Air Jordan Space Jam has released thrice since it first appeared on the feet of Michael Jordan in 1995 NBA playoffs. The Space Jam 11, black, blue, and white, was first released on December 13, 2000. It was later released again on December 23, 2009. So, samahan niyo po si Rodrigo Gonzalez sa pag-unbox ng Jordan 11 Space Jam. The 2016 Jordan 11 Space Jam marks the third time that this iconic shoe and immensely popular colorway hit the retail stores. It was released on December 10, 2016 with number 45 on it. The black, dark, concordant white colorway received the Space Jam nickname due to the product placement in Space Jam, the movie that was released in 1996. So ito yung box niya, number 45. And then sa likod ng box, ayan, parang sa space siya. And then may another cover siya ulit, number 11. So ito yung Jordan 11. So may 45 din siya. 45 din. Yan. Ito na siya. So ito yung sole niya. May number 45. Yan ang sole naman. So ito siya. Ito ngayon lang niya. Jordan 45 na Retro Space Jam 11. This is our happy place. Collection namin sa mga shoes, mostly Jordans, KDs, Curry, Paul George. I am a Jordan fanatic since I started playing basketball. It's almost borderline to obsession that everything that has a Air Jordan logo, from shoes, cups, shirts, sweatshirts, socks, magazines, if I have extra cash or the items on sale, I am buying it. I even named my son Michael John Simon, or MJ, in honor of my favorite player and favorite athlete of all time, the greatest of all time, the GOAT, Michael Jordan. Rin po sa mga hobbies ko ay pag-collect na mga shoes. Usually sabi ko nga kanina, mga Air Jordan shoes But I also have Kobe's and LeBron James. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagtiyaga, sa pagpanood ng aking video. Abangan po ninyo ang aking mga susunod na mga vlogs. For the meantime, huwag po kalimutan na i-like and pinutin yung subscribe button. Thank you!